Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok following others too frequently. If you're using TikTok and you are having the issue that you are following others too frequently, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing you have to check, you have to make sure that you have a strongest internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. And once you have checked, you have to open your TikTok, and here you have to try to follow anyone on your TikTok. Or if you can't, so let's see how can you fix. So that's the first way or the first reason that you can only follow 200 people in a day. Or just there's the following limit, just 200 peoples on a day. So if you have already followed 200 people, so you cannot follow anyone more. Or if you haven't followed them, so let's see how can you fix the issue. If you are still having, you have to open your profile, then tap on three dots in the top right corner, go for settings and privacy, and here you just have to look for the option of support, select that, and here you just have to scroll down and look for the option of following, or you can try to select the option of following too fast. And here you just have to select the option of unable to follow a user, and then you will get some method here to select that. Or if you are still having the same issue, first of all you have to follow these tips and tricks. Or if you're still having the same issue, select the need more help option, and here you have to describe your problem. So you just have to select some options. Here you can see as hi, what do you need help with? Please select the type issue you're facing. So I'm going to select the option of other from here. And here you just have to select, or you can easily send a message that I am not able to follow anyone or something like that. And after that you will get official help from your TikTok support. So in this way you can easily fix if you are having the issue that your TikTok following others too frequently. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.